Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this hairstyle inspired by Jasmine Sanders at the Met Gala. So if you're interested, keep watching. Alright, so first things first, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I'm using Revlon's Realistic Black Seed Oil Strengthening Shampoo, which is amazing, and I also followed with their conditioner and detangles in the shower. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to part my hair down the middle to create two parts. And now I'm taking one section and I'm going to put that away, clip it away, and using the other section, I'm going to go ahead and apply Revlon's Strengthening Buttercream, and it's this really thick, creamy, buttery product, and it just feels so good in my hair. When I apply this in my hair, I love hair butters, and this one smells amazing and feels amazing. Okay, so I'm just taking some more of the buttercream and I'm just going to continue to apply a good amount of this in my hair, and then going in with the Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush, I'm detangling my hair just so my curls can be nice and put together. And after detangling with the Felicia Leatherwood brush, I'm going in with the Denman brush to further smooth my curls, make sure there's no like frizz or flyaways. Now I'm just repeating the same thing on my other side. I'm going to go ahead and apply some more of the buttercream, make sure to get that thoroughly in my hair, detangle my hair, and then follow through with the Denman brush to further smooth down my curls. And after that, I'm just going to let my hair air dry a little bit. And after air drying a little bit, I'm going to use my hair dryer with diffuser attachment to further speed up the drying process and also to get my natural hair nice and fluffy and big. So next, I'm going to be taking Revlon's Long Lasting Edge Control, and I'm going to be using this to control the frizz. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair from behind my ear on both sides, and then I'm going to clip it on top of my head to keep it away from the back. And then I'm going to take the back and clip that away. So now I'm going to let the top go so I can start styling the top. And using the edge control, I'm going to take a nice amount of this and just rub it in between my fingers and then down my hair. And after that, I'm going to create like a loose twist, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, taking the edge control and just smoothing down any frizz and flyaways and creating another chunky twist. All right, now for the ponytail's length, I went ahead and I went to my Sally's beauty salon and grabbed this Afro kinky braid hair, and this is what I'm going to be using to make the ponytail nice and long like how Jasmine Sanders had it. But first I'm going to apply some more edge control back there, and then I'm going to take the kinky hair and from the middle I'm going to connect that with my own natural hair using a scrunchie. And I'm just going to tie it up. So I'm taking the twist and I'm bringing it towards the back and looping it around the ponytail. And then I realized that I didn't really like exactly how it turned out. I mean, I could have gone that way, but I chose to undo the chunky twist and instead do like a tighter twist, but in this form. I'm not sure what this is called, but I decided to do this type of twist instead. And then I'm just bringing it towards the back and I'm going to actually tie it using a scrunchie. All right, so now I got that all in there all together, and I got my nice big long pony, and I'm going to section it into 4, and then I'm going to take one of those sections and I'm going to create a twist. So I'm actually going to be creating 4 separate twists. Alright, so now that I got all 4 twists there, it's time to start adding these accessories that I got from Hobby Lobby. And this is like a pearl kind of like bead thing. And I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this around one of the twists all the way down. And then I wrap it back up, all the way up, and secure it. Then I'm going to grab the next twist and I'm going to be taking this red ribbon and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to secure it by like tying it, and then I'm going to wrap it around going down and then wrap it around the twist going up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab another twist, and on this twist I'm going to take this gold ribbon and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to wrap it all the way down and wrap it all the way back up. Alright, so now I got 3 different types of ribbons in my hair, and I'm going to do like a French braid type of style. If you don't know how to French braid, I do recommend looking up some YouTube videos because it is a little hard for me to explain right now in this video, but that's what I'm doing. And then I bring it towards the front and continue to braid it all the way down to the very end. Now that I've braided it all the way down, I'm going to take some more of this gold ribbon and create this extra like accent here at the end, just like how Jasmine Sanders had it on her hair. So I'm just going to take this ribbon, and this is going to be like the scrunchie, but I'm wrapping it around and around and around just to give this nice extra pop of gold in the end like that. Alright, now it's time for the most fun part, I think, and it's the flowers, which I also got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to take these flowers and cut them by like the fake stem. I make sure to leave some of the stem piece so that I can easily pop the flowers in. Now these curls in the front I'm going to style later. And right now I'm just taking the flowers and just start popping them on the side like where the twist is. I'm just gonna cut up some more flowers because I need more flowers. And just really easily, guys, because of the stem pokes through, you could just easily pop it in place. Now some of them could fall out, but for the most part they actually stay in pretty nice. And so I'm just kind of like, again, putting it around where my side twists are. And now I'm gonna take some more flowers and randomly like place them in the actual braid. Extra pop of gold. I'm going to take these smaller flowers that I actually found in the wedding section, I think, and I'm just gonna pop this randomly down the braid. And I do pop a couple of these like around the twist area, but for the most part these go down the braid. Now for the curls, guys, the curls at the side, the ones I pull out, I'm going to take some of the Revlon buttercream and apply it to my little curl to style them. And I like to finger coil it to make it just have this like really perfect coil curly type of look. Now that I got all the details down, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Revlon's edge control again, and I'm gonna take some of this and just for the last time go over my hair to make sure that there's no flyaways or any frizz. I actually decided to pull out a couple more curls in the front, but guys, this is pretty much it. This is the final look. Now I know it's not exactly how Jasmine Sanders had it, but this is just my recreated version. I think it's a more simpler, easier one to try to recreate at home. So I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please press like and subscribe. Bye.